To transfer money using Japan Post Bank, start by gathering the necessary information and materials. You will need the recipient's name, address, and Japan Post Bank account number, as well as your own account information. First, locate a Japan Post Bank ATM or visit a post office. If using an ATM, insert your cash card and select the transfer option from the menu. If at a post office, inform the staff that you would like to make a transfer. Next, choose the type of transfer you wish to make, such as a domestic transfer or an international transfer. For domestic transfers, you will need the recipient's Japan Post Bank account number and branch code. For international transfers, you will need the recipient's name, address, and bank account information, including the SWIFT code. Enter the recipient's information and the transfer amount. Then confirm the details. You will also need to pay a transfer fee, which varies depending on the type of transfer and the amount being sent. Once you have confirmed the transfer details, the funds will be deducted from your account and sent to the recipient. You will receive a confirmation receipt, which you should keep for your records. It is also possible to make transfers online using Japan Post Bank's internet banking service. To do this, log into your account and select the transfer option. Enter the recipient's information and the transfer amount. Then confirm the details. When making transfers, it is essential to double-check the recipient's information to ensure that the funds are sent to the correct account. It is also a good idea to keep track of your transfer history and to monitor your account activity regularly. By following these steps, you can easily transfer money using Japan Post Bank. Remember to always keep your account information and transfer receipts safe and secure to protect yourself from fraud and identity theft.